Hi, I'm Kelly Croy, and this is A Piece of Chalk. And you might be surprised to find out what happens when the two of us get together. I'm an inspirational speaker and a chalk art performance, and one day I'd like to share a live chalk art presentation with you and your organization. Please visit my website at www.kellycroy.com. There you can learn all about me and my chalk art and how I can service you and your organization to inspire others to living a great life. Today I want to talk to you about something very important and very simple. It's about your day and my day and how we can work together to make it great. You know, a lot of people go through life thinking their day is like a lottery ticket. They either got a winner or they got a loser. And I'm here to tell you that's not so. I started ending all my correspondence with a simple line that reads, make your day great. Some people say, have a great day. I say, make your day great. I put the burden or a challenge onto other people and myself to find ways to make their day great. If you plan for it, it will happen. Here's some things that I do, and I want to share with you. I hope you can use them. First of all, I surround myself with positive people. The people I work with are great. They have great attitudes, and it's contagious. You know, I once heard a line that says, attitudes are contagious. Is yours worth catching? And it's true. If you surround yourself with great people, you will become great. If you surround yourself with lazy people, well, I'm afraid you're going to become lazy. Surround yourself with great people. Put a smile on your face is another great way to ensure having a great day. You know, there's movies and books and cartoons that you can read to start your day off great. I start my day off even simpler than that. I think of gratitude, things that I'm grateful for, my family, my job. You know, you might have been thrown some hard things in your life recently, especially with the economy the way that it is. But you can still look for the positives in your day. And by doing that, it changes your circumstances. If you dwell on the negative things that have happened to you, things are going to slowly get worse and worse and worse. As a matter of fact, it may not be slowly, it might be quickly. Look for the positives, and it'll change you, and it'll change your circumstances. Look for the best in other people. I assume other people want to help me. I really do. When I go into a conversation or a meeting, I assume that person wants to help me out. And that assumption changes the outcome of the conversation. If I go into it with, oh, this person, there's no way they're going to help me. There's nothing that they want to do that can help me out. They don't even like me. Matter of fact, they talk about me behind my back. I've already spoiled it before I even started the conversation. You have to assume the best in others, and you have to look for the best in others. When you see somebody doing something wrong or saying something poor about someone else, assume it's the first time it's ever happened and be quick to forgive them. Look for the best. Now, don't be foolish about it. Don't set yourself up to get hurt, but assume that's the first time. Look for the best in others. I know people want to help each other out. I want to help you out. I'm sure you want to help me out. And by assuming the positive, by thinking of the positive, it will happen. You know, you can pick up a newspaper and find people who are having a worse day than you are. If you can't find them on the front page, look in the obituaries. They'll be there. I know I'm having a great day. I also start my day off with a plan. I build things into my day that I know that's going to make it great. It might be exercise, read a little bit of a book I'm enjoying, or making a phone call to someone I really like. By building these little things in my day, I'm ensuring my day will be great. If you don't know what it's going to take to have a great day, how can you have one? Build them into your day. Now, don't overplan. Don't put so much into your day that you feel bad you didn't get it all accomplished and you're overwhelmed. Start out small and build onto it. These are some great tips to having a great day. I've got more on my website that I'd love to share with you, but really what I'd like to do is share it with you in person with a message and a chalk art presentation. So one more time, visit my website at www.kellycroy.com. And you know what I had to end this with? Make your day great. I know you can do it.